Good evening. Greetings and a warm welcome to all of you on the occasion of the 6th Ayurveda Day, which is being celebrated in India and all over the world since 2016 on Dhanvantri Divas. May I please request Mr. Manoj Kumar Bhati, His Excellency, to come and light the lamp, please.
It is an honor to welcome all of you to India House to celebrate the 6th Ayurveda Day. Ayurveda Day is observed every year on the day of Dhanvantri Jayanti, which falls on November 2 this year. Apart from Dhanvantri, a mythical deity in India, this is also an occasion to remember the creator of the original Ayurveda text, Charak Samhita, by Saint Charak more than 2300 years ago. Ayurveda Day is celebrated to create awareness in today's generation and promote Ayurvedic principles of healing in society. Ayurveda is one of the most ancient and well-documented system of medicine. In modern terms, it has got a complete set of pharmacopoeia and is also recognized by the WHO. Its holistic approach, whether for healthy individuals or for ailing ones, remains unparalleled. Prevention of disease and promotion of health is the main aim of Ayurveda. Thank you very much.
What about the cooked food and the uncooked food? What food we should eat, what food should we not eat? So the first thing is Ayurveda talks about cooked food. We do not talk about, Ayurveda doesn't want people to eat raw food because raw food is difficult to digest and it should be mixed with spices or dressings to make it easily digestible. So therefore just cutting and raw and eating something is not good for our health. Mix it with some spices. We will talk about the spices later on. It's very important to make sure that the spices are added so that it becomes easier to digest. So not only the timing of the food, but also season. Which season what is to be eaten? Suppose it's the winter time. In the winter time, the Vata dosha is at its peak. That means our body needs warm food. So we should eat foods which are more in fat. Something like nuts are very much recommended in the winter season. But in the summer season, our appetite is low. So that is why light khichdi, the famous Indian khichdi, is recommended because it's very easy to digest. Also, many people love to take just one meal during the summer.
And follow it up with the meaning of it. सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। ॐ